So I just came back from my long vacation, and everything has grown a lot, especially my cucumbers and cantaloupe. On this side, where we have the trellises, the cucumbers have overgrown into the garden bed and onto the floor. So many cucumbers were grown, and they all tasted delicious, except for a couple overgrown ones. The gongora, okra, and corn had grew a lot too. The cantaloupes were also just as abundant as the cucumbers, hanging everywhere. Same with the watermelon. The eggplants were definitely one of the other vegetables that grew a lot. On this side, the hyacinth beans had covered most of them, but on the other side, they were untouched, and we harvested a full bowl full of only green and purple eggplants. There were also four huge ash cards that are ready to harvest. All the peppers and chilies grew great, even though they were covered by the ash guard vines. The only one that didn't grow as big was the bell peppers due to the heat. The jalapenos were also very huge, and we harvested them just in time before turning red. The several moringa trees I put also grew very well, and I'm glad they didn't overtake the chilies. I also supported some of these cantaloupes to make sure they don't fall to the ground and splatter. The okras grew just as well as the chili, producing a ton, but unlike chilies which turn red, these turn too hard to eat since okras are only used when they're tender. Harvesting is if the ends of the okras break easily, that means they're still tender. This is how much we harvested on our first day. Majority of them were eggplants and cucumbers, and though we harvested a lot of okra, most of them were hard, so we had to throw most of them away. We'll see it. This was our first watermelon, which weighed 16 pounds. We came home in time before a majority of these cantaloupes went to waste, which meant we had a lot to eat. Most of these corns actually fell over. They grew too tall, wasn't here to protect them properly. But the ones that did stand, sadly, most of them are already overly ripened. You can already see the corn hard. Since some of these kernels were too hard to eat, we cut the kernels off and turned them into a side dish.
Yeah, that looks just fine.
We also harvested a decent amount of garlics, and even though some of them were small, they smelled just as good, even if not better, than the store-bought garlic. This one's not too bad. Considerably small, but smells good. And that was our garden growth after vacation. Now it's time to just harvest and eat.